The name Dael, pronounced Dael, possesses a sharp, two-syllable, gender-neutral profile that fits the current naming landscape. This graph tracks the popularity of Dael in the United States. It shows an initial peak in the early 2000s, as it began to gain traction as a concise alternative to traditional names. In recent years, the name has seen an even more aggressive resurgence. Since 2020, its growth has mirrored the trajectory of other established nature-themed names like Kai and Sage. This modern footprint is visible in the arts, where Dael Smith has gained recognition as an acclaimed American playwright and actress. It appears in professional football through Dael Fry, an English defender. And in the U.S., the name belongs to defensive tackle Dael Wynn. While etymology databases frequently classify Dael as a modern constructed name popularized by speculative fiction, historical records show these same phonetic sounds have appeared across several cultures for thousands of years. The first layer of the name's history is found in the ancient Middle East. In Hebrew, the word Dael breaks down into two specific components. Da means knowing, and El refers to God, resulting in the translation, one who knows God. A separate Arabic origin exists, derived from the root da-ya-la. In this tradition, the name translates to the seeker of truth, or the one who is guided. These origins characterize the name not as a recent invention, but as a long-standing marker of spiritual introspection. Moving to medieval Ireland, the same phonetic sequence appears independently within European records. In Old Ireland, the sound referred to an assembly or a gathering, often associated with the nobility or community leaders. As the sound migrated and was adopted into Old English, its definition shifted to describe the land itself. It became a topographic term for a valley or a stream. This connection to the landscape implies a grounded and resilient character, reflecting the stability of the terrain it describes. These histories show that the name Dael carries a dual legacy, containing both the spiritual seeking of the Middle East and the community-focused leadership of Celtic Europe. This overlap is a result of linguistic convergence, a phenomenon where identical sounds develop separate, meaningful roots across different civilizations. This diagram shows the confluence of those traditions. The syllables da and el were used by different cultures to describe both spiritual knowledge and the physical earth. Numerology also associates the name with the number 4, a value linked to stability and practicality, which aligns with its Old English origins. Choosing the name Dael today provides a child with a contemporary, gender-neutral identity that remains tied to these distinct ancient cultural lineages.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can visit us at babybloomtips.com for more baby name inspiration.